Alright, guys, bust in here a box of 2015 certified. And let's get this going. Good luck. Jeremy, who? Ten packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just gonna leave them in there. Here we go. First pack. Okay, we got Brian Hartline, Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Marshall, Eli Manning, number to 50. Can't see it, won't focus. I hate this camera, don't focus. Number to 50, Manning. You got a blank. Des Bryant Skills. Reporter card. Should be 4 hits here. 2 autos, 2 mem. RG3. Ryan Mallett. Steve Smith. Steve Young. Colin Kaepernick. Looks like this is dirty. 5 out of 25. For the 49ers, fabric of the game. Who has the Niners? Kevin. Man, it just sucks what they're going through right now, the 49ers, huh? This goes out to Kevin. McFadden with the Cowboys. Allen Hurns. Eli Manning. Got a skills insert of Aaron Rodgers, number to 199. A redemption. I don't know if it was redemption here, but it's 2015 Panini Certified Freshman Fabric. Card 201, Buck Allen. Not sure who he is. Oh, yeah, the 49ers, I think, were one of the last ones that were picked. Kevin actually took him with the mini that he won. But Buck Allen, I'm not even sure what team he is, so we'll find out real quick to see who it is going to. Baltimore Ravens. So that goes out to you, James. And the reporter card. we got 2 hits out of the way already. Romo, Randall Cobb, Doug Martin, Gregory, number to 999. And Mike Evans, stars insert. Sammy Watkins, Eddie Lacy, Russell Wilson, Blake Bortles to 499. Justin Hardy, Taven Coleman, Dual Relic, Falcons, Kevin. That was another team that nobody took. Yeah, I'm not sure about the. I thought they didn't have no more redemptions. I don't know. Andre Johnson, Geno Smith, Matthew Stafford, McCole Pruitt, number to 999. Got an insert or a blank and a Peyton Manning stars. Are you watching the game right now? Denard Robinson, Jonathan Stewart, Andy Dalton. Got a Jared Holloman, number to 499. Marino, insert. Legends. Reporter card. Yeah, you know what? I think no. I think the other one's gonna be one more, another patch, because there's 2 autos, 2 mem. Victor Cruz, Macklin, Michael Crabtree. Got a Jameis Winston rookie gold team. Alfred Morris, stars. Put this one down. If it's here. Keenan Allen, Johnny Manziel, Elvis Dumerville, Devin Hester, number to 499. And this is going to be a random Philip Dorsett, Colts, James, and Jets, Doug. Unless one of you want to forfeit it. Number to 799. So James and Doug. Can't see it. Well, there you go. 799. Reporter card. Man, that should be it. That's 4 because of the redemption. So we got Kaepernick. Oh crap. There's another one in here. So that's we got 5. We got 5 hits in here. There's only supposed to be 4. We got 5 hits, so we got an extra hit. Nelson Aguilar and Buck Allen, number to 249. Dual relic. New generation duels. This is the Eagles, Steven, and Ravens, I think, as you, James, right? So this will be another random. So, what's what we got here? AP, Matt Ryan, Ingram, and number to 299, no, 999, Tony Lepet. Yeah, we got a bonus hit, so it's not bad, I guess. Maybe because of the redemption, I don't know. So here are the hits. A duel, Nelson Aguilar, Buck Allen. Duel of Philip Dorsett and Devin Smith. A duel of Justin Hardy, Taylor Coleman. Got a redemption of Buck Allen, freshman fabric. And then Colin Kaepernick, number 225 for the 49ers. Not bad. I'll probably do the randoms once these people have seen the video, James. So most likely not today. But that concludes the certified